Hi everyone, welcome back to Shanri Zagar channel. So as we can see for today's video, we have the new 2025, the new BMW X3. So this is the new generation, and just look how beautiful it looks, guys, with its amazing LED daytime running lights with blue details and beautiful illuminated grille. And to be honest, I think it is my favorite design of the new BMW lineup. It just looks so beautiful, and it looks more like the new X5 than the X3, to be honest. I don't know, it feels bigger, and you can see also in the back that beautiful LED taillights, amazing, which we are going to see a lot of detail in a bit, guys. So right now we can start it up, and you can see this is the M Sport package. Also we have the keyless go, and you can see this like a dark brown leather interior, beautiful like crystal LED for the ambient light, just like in the new BMW 7 Series and 5 Series. X3 writing here, lock and unlock button, amazing, very good side pocket, fully electric adjustable leather seats. This is M Sport seats, which they are very comfortable and very sporty at the same time. So right now we can start it up, and just look at this interior, guys. And I don't know, it feels very spacious in here, which, to be honest, I don't like too much the older X3. It is a very good car, but I don't know, it feels a little bit weird. But this one, they killed it, guys. So good. You can see when we put the hazards, you can see this one go with the red, amazing. So to start the car, you just need to have the key inside of the vehicle, put your foot in the brake pedal, and here in the center console you can see we have start button engine. Push that, and the car now it's running beautiful. So for now, let's go and take a look of the exterior design, and later on we are going to see the back seats, the trunk space, and the interior, the infotainment, the technology, and stuff like that. So stay tuned with this video, guys. So right now, as we can see, we are here in the front. We can see this beautiful LED daytime running lights, but I can turn them, the headlights, why not, to see how beautiful it looks. And here we have, okay, they used to have there in the BMW, but they changed it. Okay, so you can see, and with all headlights turned on, it looks more beautiful, guys. The BMW LED, and just look at how good that design is. It's so aggressive, it's so elegant, it's just perfect, guys. With illuminated beautiful kidney grille, and this is the M Sport package, like I said. And you can see we have more sporty bumper here in the front, and the engine in this car is a 20D Xdrive, so it has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, diesel, which produce almost 200 horsepower and around 400 Newton meters of torque, with Xdrive all-wheel drive and 8-speed automatic ZF transmission, which is very quick, guys. For the 2-liter, of course, I think 0 to 100 kilometers per hour with launch control it will do around 7.5 seconds, which is very quick, guys. And the fuel consumption is very impressive. So on the side we can see we have this new beautiful 20-inch wheels from the M Sport package, the M emblem here, and you can see we have tinted rear windows. Also the surround of the windows are finished in black, and the tow bar here in the roof. I'm sorry because the car is a little bit dirty, and just look at in this angle, guys. It is just beautiful to look at. Look at this amazing LED taillights. I think right now for the lights, the tail lights and the headlights, the BMW X3 for the new generation of the BMW are now the best, in my opinion. So you can see, and you can see the back window is very tiny. I think they doing that to look more sporty, and believe me, it looks very sporty. Amazing. You can see how that roof slope, and just look at it is just amazing. BMW logo, X320D, amazing. Being the M Sport, we have more sporty bumper in the back, of course. Amazing. Just amazing car, guys. I can open the trunk. Electric tailgate. I think it will come standard in the M Sport package. The electric tailgates. And you can see we have very good room here. We can fold down the rear seats, of course. Also we have under storage, you can get with a spare tire in the option. We can close this one. You can see it is dead easy to use. Beautiful. And here we have a button to close. So right now let's go and take a look of the back seats. This is the fuel cap, the AdBlue, the diesel. Very good. So you can see the back door is opening very wide. Also we have the Harman Kardon sound speakers. And one thing that I notice right now, guys, and I am a little bit disappointed, why we don't have the ambient light in here just like in the front. Look at this, for example. You can see, I don't know why, because it will look very cool, guys. And I don't know, do we have any ambient light here in the back? But anyway, the door is open very wide. It's very easy to jump in. Harman Kardon beautiful sound speakers. You can see now we are in the back, and we can see we have this touchscreen to control, like a touchscreen. So we have 3-zone climate control. This is to adjust the airflow. Very solid. 2 USB-C ports. The headroom is not that bad. You can see me. I am 182 centimeters. I have plenty of headroom, and the panoramic sunroof is fixed. I think in the option you can get with one that can open. The black headlining, amazing. These beautiful leather seats, and here we have, if I can pull this, and here we have the armrest with 2 cup holders, which is very good. So right now let's go and take a look of the interior here in the front, guys. So right now let's jump in. I'm really sorry about a little bit dirty of the car, guys. So it's very easy to jump in, like we know in the SUV. It's very easy. And now we are here in the inside, and just look how beautiful this interior is, guys. Let's change the my modes. We can go in the sport, so you can see the ambient light changes with this like M colors. Also we have the M logo here. at the cup holders. So we have the wireless charging, two USB-C port, and we have the card if you want to use just like in the Tesla, which is most annoying thing ever, because I own Tesla and it is, I don't know, I don't like it. So here we have my modes. We can change from pressing this button here. Efficiency, expressive, and I really love this digital art with purple colors. Amazing. So the steering wheel, you can see, is very light and it's very easy to operate in the town. This car is one feature that doesn't have is the 360-degree camera and the head-up display, except that it's almost fully loaded. I can show you the backup camera. You can see the lanes. The cameras are very high resolution, and we have 360-degree sensors, and you can go in the wide. Beautiful. This is the stick-work transmission, down to drive, up to reverse, and for park we have the P button. I can low because it is very hot right now. Let's go in the 19. Beautiful. So right now we are going to check about this screen from for the driver. This is the cruise control. We have the shift paddles, which, to be honest, they feel a little bit cheap. In the cheap side, emblem in the steering wheel. This is to control this screen. You can see we have the content. For example, we can change the media or radio. Also, we can go in the map view, which I really like, the G-force and stuff like that. Beautiful. So you can see it work very well. Black headlining, beautiful. So here we have a new screen. It is touch screen, or we can control with this wheel, which is very easy to use. Beautiful. And we can connect with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The climate control, now it's with touchscreen displays. You can turn them on and off. Live vehicle. Just look how responsive this screen is. And you can see when I press the brake pedal, you can see here, or when I turn on the signal. Beautiful. The key settings, memory, stuff like that, seat comfort. Beautiful. Vehicle status, we can see the weather. It is just beautiful system, guys. You can see the map view, very easy to put the new destination in, and the graphics are so high resolution. On the screen you can see how wide it is, and it curved, which looks so good. Amazing. So here we have the center console. You can see there we have the wireless charging with two cup holders. This is the infotainment wheel, like we know. Also with this one you can see how responsive it is. We have some shortcut buttons here, the home, media, telephone, navigation, the back button here, the volume control, which feels very good. And like I said, we have the Harman Kardon upgraded sound speakers, which sounds very good, very clear. Here we have the parking sensors and the camera. Beautiful. And this is the drive assistance, drive, train and chassis, of course. Next track, previous track, the gear lever, beautiful. And you can see the armrest is very soft, very comfortable. And here we have very good storage, which is very deep. And I can show you the glove box, which is very decent. Also, I like this design of the dashboard, guys, and it feels very high quality. Really amazing car, guys. And to be honest, the driving position, it feels very sporty. Amazing. Very amazing car. Beautiful BMW. Well done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about the new BMW X3 2025. Comment down below what do you think about this car, and make sure to subscribe for more videos to come. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.